is a little different. Obviously we're in my bathroom. It's been a hot minute since I've posted, all of those good fun things. But I'm going away for a weekend and I want to try to vlog because that was my plan. I wanted to vlog and try some other cool fun things and just kind of expand my channel. And then a bunch of shit hit the fan and I couldn't post. I want to test out using my phone camera because I do have like my nice like filming camera that I've used before. It still works, but that's like not ideal for taking with you somewhere and vlogging. So I just want to get ready and maybe chat a little. So anyway, I've been using this e.l.f. matte oil control primer. This is different. I have a ring light now too, so like I'm working with all kinds of new stuff. This is the matte oil control primer. It's not bad. It says kaolin, clay, and tea tree. I love tea tree, so like anything with tea tree in it, like I'm all for it. I'm gonna try and post more. I know I keep saying that, like I disappear for a while and then I come back and then I post more and then I like disappear and stuff, but like I don't try to live my life on the internet. I post a lot on TikTok, but like I feel like I do that because those videos take like, I don't know, like for me I try to keep TikTok fun, so like if a video takes me more than like a minute to get right, then like I'm just done with it. I do like showing off my ink because like I really do like my tattoos and I think that the guy that did them did a really good job. I'm really sad I can't go to him anymore. Like, I mean, maybe I could. I don't know. It's just kind of a weird situation. I don't want to get into it. But I do have a guy that I want to do some more ink on me. But he's really like, he's really good at his work and you want to pay for good tattoos. Don't like skip out on like paying. Like if somebody wants to charge you a lot, it's because they are a good tattoo artist. But like the guy that I want to do mine, he's like really expensive because he's been around for a while and he can charge a lot, you know, for his tattoos, and I really respect that because like he's a very good artist. Taken time to realize college is just not for me, and that's okay. I think, I don't know, I am a firm believer that yes, college is a great thing. Exploring and furthering your education is a wonderful thing. Trying not to spill powder all over, but like we have to be real and understand that not everybody wants to go to college. Like not everybody has that focus. I think about when I was growing up and like stuff that I was allowed to do and stuff that I wasn't allowed to do, and like it just blows my mind, like things that kids get away with now and that they get to do, and I don't know. I wish this guy lived closer to me. He's like a sweetheart. Like he's one of those people that you just like enjoy having in your life because like he's just such a great person. If you're watching this, you know who you are. I don't think he's gonna be watching this. He doesn't watch my YouTube videos. I don't even know if he knows I make YouTube videos. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I used to always use this to fill in my eyebrows. I haven't done it in a while. I've been using there's a new NYX product. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, this one. It's the NYX Fill and Fluff, and I like it for like if I'm getting ready really quick, but since I have like some time to just like relax and like go about like filling in my eyebrows, like I'm gonna try and make them look nice because I'm gonna try and make them look nice when I'm gone this weekend. While we're talking about TikTok, okay, so there's this thing on TikTok, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of it. It's called cosplay. Can I just say, okay, so like cosplay is not my thing. Like, I've never done it. Like, I don't fully understand it. Like, I mean, I kind of understand it, but, like, I don't fully grasp it. Do it for fun, or, like, if people do it and they, like, go out dressed up, or, like, I don't fully grasp, like, the concept behind it. But there are some cosplayers or whatever on TikTok, and, like, holy damn, these people are so good at their makeup. There's this one guy I follow, and he does a bunch of, like, Star Wars characters. I don't know a whole lot about Star Wars, but I'm, like, kind of learning, like, through watching his stuff. Like, holy crap. Like, it's so cool to see how much work and effort goes into people's cosplays. Like, it's really freaking cool. Ooh, let me tell you guys about this thing. Like, I was so excited. Okay, so Wet n Wild has been coming out with, like, a bunch of new things lately, and, like, I love Wet n Wild. Like, they've been one of my favorite brands for, like, the longest amount of time. So this is their Mega Glow Highlighting Illuminator in the shade Limited Edition Crystal High. This is also a Wet n Wild brush. I don't know that they sell this one anymore. I bought this a while ago, and I just take a little bit and put it just, like, right up on here. This is a cream highlight, guys. So I'm not a big fan of, like, creamy products, but this one is, like, super pretty. Like, super, super pretty. I think I'm gonna do a green eyeshadow look because TikTok, there's this audio going around and it's like Slytherin, Gryffindor. All right, so I'm gonna go into my shade light palette. Let's not get into Kat Von D drama. So, like, everybody was popping off about that whole James Charles thing. I don't want to get into it. This Emily Noel, hello? Like, does nobody remember she's, like, the mom of YouTube? This palette is so good, too. Like, it's so good. We saw an Elvis impersonator, me and my parents, on Friday. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this. He is, like, legit one of the best Elvis impersonators, like, in the world. Like, he is so good. He looks just like John Stamos, which I, like, that seals the deal for me. Like, I don't think he looks a whole heck of a lot like Elvis, but he looks just like John Stamos. So, like, I would love to, like, cosplay as Elvis, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know the first thing about cosplaying, and I, like, don't want to be disrespectful to it because, like, I know that that's a thing that takes, like, a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of detail and commitment, and, like, I don't want to shit all over people who work really hard at what they do. And then if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you would have already seen this, but I got these freaking bomb lashes. Dude, this is a mega huge lash. This is insane. Do you guys see that? I don't even know if I have it on all the way. These lashes were legit only $3 though. I'm throwing on a light gloss because these lashes are, like, all the extreme we need here. I feel very, like, 2000s right now. I'll take it though. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am gonna vlog hopefully some of my weekend getaway trip, and I'm gonna go do TikTok now. So catch you later.